Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Good afternoon, right? Yeah, still afternoon.
So dark here.
Only sunshine is not there because it's been overcast due to the cyclonic
Yeah,
problems.
yeah.
So we've come to this part of the beach, the beach stretch of Goa, which is called Uttorda.
Dorda Beach.
Uttorda, you can see the name written there on the top.
Uttorda.
Uttorda, yeah. And this is a part of a long stretch. Now, when we go down, if you look to the right, you will see the bit which is just below the airport. That is Welsau. And if you look to the left, it ends up at the area we call Mobor, where now you have the St. Regis Hotel and all these bigger starred hotels. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Let's go on this bridge.
Yeah, we can go this way also. You want to go over the bridge? That I think leads to one of the shacks, maybe. Yeah, it leads to one of the beach shacks.
Ah, okay.
This sort of
Those are
leads.
private or what?
Sorry?
Those are private?
Yeah, those are private. They sort of lead and then you walk down. You can either go into the shack or onto the beach, whatever. Mountains. Reggae shack.
Oh, a small river flow in here.
Sorry?
So a small
No,
river.
this flows during the rains. Like from the villages, all the water comes from the little like streamlets and
Yeah.
goes out into the Arabian Sea.
Oh, okay.
So
see
this
fish.
is only there during the monsoon. When the
Okay.
monsoons are over, this is not there.
क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? क्या बोलता है? नहीं होना ही चाहिए अभी. Thank you.
I think they want to ask if you want to use the beach shack or something.
Ah, okay.
It's a bit of a haze, otherwise you could see very clearly just below the airport. You know
Yeah.
where we had seen that chemical industry? We had gone to the temple, right?
Yeah,
And then we had seen that chemical factory.
yeah.
So actually, if it's clear, you can see that here.
Ah,
So
okay.
we started from that end, but this stretch of beach goes for about 26 kilometers straight.
26 kilometers.
Yeah, one
Wow.
long stretch of beach. But where we were now, it's a part of this stretch only.
Hmm.
So every village that the beach passes through, it is called by the village name.
Hmm.
It starts from Welsau, then Arosi, Uttorda, Majorda. Then you have
But it's straight line 26 kilometers, same
straight
like
line, same like this only.
You know, it's same like a Indian Ocean. In Sri
Yeah.
Lanka also, waves very high.
Okay.
Look,
Normally
here
the waves this side of Goa are low.
also low.
The north side of Goa you find much higher. Always.
Okay. Why is that?
I don't know. But that side, maybe because that's where the rivers also are meeting, no?
Yeah.
So you have the Zuari on that side and then you have the Mandovi. So it could be also because of the mixing of the river water. So that's why the waves there are always higher.
Hmm.
If you come here when the monsoons are not there, there's barely any waves. Like very soft, low waves.
Okay.
So as I told you now, in most of the areas, at regular intervals, they all have coast guards now.
Red flag.
Yeah, that means you can't swim.
Correct.
Just a bit of wading and all they allow, but you can't really go out swimming.
So what else here?
Sorry?
Only swim in here?
Yeah. It's like, as I told you, there are no crowds here.
Yeah.
Now, in the season time, they have water sports. Huh? They have
Okay.
banana boats, paragliding, parasailing, all that they have activities.
Ah, okay.
But because of the wind and the monsoons, I think all the water sports activities are now kept at a standstill.
Okay. Yeah, it's very clean,
Yeah.
very nice beach.
They keep-
See, dog.
They are having fun.
I think, waves were hitting almost there. Look there.
Yeah. When the tide comes in, then it hits quite
Yeah.
high.
See, even
Because it's all wet. That means it was wet till that point when the tide comes in.
correct. Nice beach, no? Huh? Yeah. So short video since we passed by this beach. We'll keep posting a lot of videos next maybe 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Got a lot of videos to edit and post. So keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. See you then from other video.